Guys, gonna get you making more videos again, and today guys we got some awesome LEDs for my fog lights. A lot of people have been asking me, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I got the package right here, so let's get straight into unboxing. Alrighty guys, here is the actual box. Nothing else was actually in the package, and you can tell this is the H11 bulb guys. However, it fits in the H8 bulb, no problem whatsoever guys. Simple box right here. Just want to show you some specs. Put pause if you need to. 6000K, that's what I like. Let's get straight into unboxing it. Ho ho ho. Alrighty guys, let's take it out of this package. Carefully. Oh my god, I'm excited to get some new fog lights in my car guys. Alright, I'm bringing it really close to show you. Look at how beautiful these lights look guys. And you can already tell these are going to be some really bright lights guys. LEDs all over the place guys. Look at that, impressive. I already have LEDs in my car guys, but I wanted something brighter, and these are definitely going to do the trick guys. And I like the build quality of this. It looks amazing. And let me just show you and put this down. Let me show you the other bulb. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Plug and play, easy installation. You guys know how I like it. I don't like splicing wires, cutting wires, doing all that stuff. I mean, I don't mind doing it sometimes if it's going to be easy, but for you guys, I love to give you plug and play options, easy, quick installs that make your car look beautiful. Alrighty guys, without further ado, let's go take these out and let's test them out. Let's see how they look. Alrighty guys, I got the Honda Accord right here, and today we're not even going to be looking at that. We're going to be looking at the fog lights, guys, the lights that are underneath the actual lights. Now, this is a 2013 Honda Accord, 2014 or 15, looks the same, exactly like seriously, nothing has pretty much changed on these cars. Fog lights make the car look amazing. Now, I know you guys are probably wondering what about these bugs. I just came from a road trip, guys. I don't know if you guys want to see me vlogging my road trips, etc., but let me know in the comments down below. However, fog lights, like I was saying, fog lights are definitely something that makes the car just brings the whole entire front end of the car at night. Just looks amazing. So having some white lights in here to match up your white lighting right there is definitely a must, guys. So in this case, we're gonna be taking out this side first and then the other side. They're both a little bit different, you know, because of how the placement of all the stuff is in the car. They're a little bit different. Not too hard. Nothing is too hard when dealing with lights, guys. Just, you know, it's a little bit trickier for fog lights, but it's not hard whatsoever. So first step first, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I got the fog light right here. Here's the headlight up there, and I'm on the floor right now, and basically you go underneath the car and you get like some kind of flathead screwdriver, and you have to get these two screws out. Here's one, and here's the other one right here, guys. So it's very simple to get these like push tabs out, and all you have to do is basically get in here and work your way around this guy, and there you have it. It comes out easily, guys. There you have it. There's one. There you have it. Pull it out. Easy. Done. Next step, guys, for like this is only for passenger side. You know, driver side is different. Now, for the passenger side, all you have to do is reach in there by grabbing in here, like, you know, pushing this tab back. Once you've taken these screws out, these tabs, all you have to do is get your hand in there and find the actual bulb. And it's not that difficult to find. Once you actually find the bulb, and here's the actual bulb right here, unhook it by clicking on the tab and pulling it down like normal. I've twisted it out, and now just pull it out slowly. And this is all done underneath here. And once you actually pull it out, as you can see, I've already pulled out the actual bulb. Slowly just take it out, and there you have it, guys. Here's the old bulb that I had. Now these, like I said, LEDs are awesome. They've never died on me. Nothing has ever happened. I love LEDs, guys. But now, time for a change. So here you have my new bulbs right here, ready to go, looking beautiful. Now all you have to do is slide your hand back in there, go all the way to the actual housing, and you will see, there you have the bulb. It's come through already, and now basically twist it in place. Alrighty, once you have your bulb already settled in there, twisted in place, as you can see, looking beautiful, guys. Cannot wait to turn this on. Then all you have to do is make sure the socket is in place, guys. And that's a simple clicking the tab in. And once you have everything good to go, make sure you push these tabs back in, guys, and you'll be good to go. Now the next step you want to do is the driver's side fog lights, guys. And here's the old LED right here in there. I want to switch them out. And this is the driver's side, guys. You can see here's the driver's side. And what you want to do is basically for the driver's side, it's a little bit different. What you're going to do is basically take your Phillips head screwdriver like so and put it in this hole right here, and basically go all the way until you hit a screw in here, and you will see the screw. And as you can see, I've already taken out the screw from there, and the screw should be right there where it looks like a little P. It looks like a letter P. The screw should be right there, and I've already taken it out. After that, everything else is very simple. So the next step is to getting this tab off right here. This tab right here has to come off. Once you take out the screw that's underneath, you take off this tab right here. And it's as simple as putting your screwdriver in there and clicking the tab and pulling it out. So you can see, once you actually pull it out, you can start working your way all the way around this thing, guys. And there you have it, guys. It might sound like you're breaking something, however, you're definitely not. Just make sure you get that tab and you're good to go, guys. And as you can see, the tab is already taken out. I've taken it out. And for you guys that are wondering where the screw is right here. Basically, you just take it out from here by unscrewing it from the bottom. So the next step, it gets easier and easier, guys. All you have to do is unscrew these screws right here, 1 and 2. And make sure you don't lose these screws. So once you take out the screws, guys, as you can see, I've already taken out the screw 1 and screw 2 right there. And now, the last and final step is pulling this bad boy out. And it comes out very easily, guys, you can see. Now, what I like to do is just rest it on, I'm just gonna rest it on my knee because I don't want it to resting on the wire itself. So now the next step is undoing this, and this is the easy part. As you can see, all you have to do is push down on it and pull it out. And there's your beautiful green tab that you're going to place your new thing in. Twist this old bulb out, and there you have it, guys. Look at that beautiful bulb coming out. We're going to put the new bad boy in here, and you'll be good to go. So next step, you're going to place this bad boy into the actual socket, as you can see. There you have it, and twist it in place, guys. Look at that. That's how simple it is, and it fits in there well. And everything's good to go. Now, sometimes if you have to get them to fit, bending the tab, breaking them off, you know, so that they can fit nice and snug is definitely an option for you. So now everything's good to go. It's already in there. The next step, guys, is to putting this wire back, putting the socket back in there. Alrighty, got the socket in there. The process is completely reversed. Bam, there you have it. It's already in place. Put the 2 screws back in, put the cover back on, and guess what? You're ready to rock and roll with your brand new fog lights. Alrighty, guys, look at that. As you can see, let me turn off the fog lights to show you where the fog lights are. And there you have it. Those are the fog lights. And I am in love with this, guys. They just look so beautiful. Look at that. And you know, it's kind of funny. It's really funny. If you have 5000K HIDs, this will match perfectly for 5000K HIDs, guys. I am loving this look right now. This just makes the car look amazing, guys. As you can see, these are pure white. However, I can tell there's a slight yellow tint to it, kind of like HIDs. These are not HIDs. These are 6000K LED bulbs. However, if you have some 5000K, if you like 5000K white HIDs or 5000K low beams, they will definitely match perfectly, guys. And I'm loving the brightness output of this. Just looks amazing, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful bright white lights, just, you know, lighting up the day, but yet you can see the cutoff line does not blind anyone. That's what you want to know. You want to make sure that these lights right here are not flashing up there and blinding people. You can see there's a clean cutoff line. Looking nice, loving it, guys. Links are in the description below, guys. I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Links are in the description below as well, guys. I want you guys to have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Could you share saying thanks for watching, and peace!